Have you ever tried to save money but just felt overwhelmed by all the changes you had to make? Well, what if I told you that saving money doesn't have to be complicated? In fact, all it might take is just $5 a day. Yep, you heard that right, just $5 a day. In this video, we'll show you why $5 a day is the magic number for saving money. So let's dive in. Number 1, why $5 works. 5 is the perfect amount to save because it's small enough that you won't miss it, but it's big enough to add up quickly. It's the sweet spot between easy and impactful. When you start with just $5, you're more likely to stay motivated and consistent with your savings goals. Plus, it's much easier to find $5 in your budget each day than it is to find a large amount all at once. Number 2, how much can you save? Let's do the math. $5 a day, $35 a week, $150 a month, $1,825 a year. That's a vacation fund, a new emergency cushion, or a big step toward debt freedom. Imagine having an extra $1,725 in your bank account each year. You could treat yourself to a nice vacation, build up your emergency savings, or pay down high-interest debt. It might not seem like much at first, but over time, $5 a day can really add up. Number 3, where to find your $5. Not sure where to find an extra $5 in your budget? Here are a few ideas. Skip one coffee shop drink. Bring lunch instead of eating out. Cancel an unused subscription or roundup change from your purchases. There's always a way to carve out $5. The key is to look for small ways to cut back that you can stick to consistently. Number 4, how to save it. Once you've got your $5, it's important to put it somewhere where it can grow. Use a physical jar if you like visuals, or set up an automatic transfer in your banking app. The key is making it consistent and non-negotiable. Whether you choose to save your $5 in cash or in a bank account, it's important to find a method that works for you and that you can stick to consistently. Number 5, stay motivated. Staying motivated is key to making your savings goals a reality. Track your progress with a chart, use a savings challenge app, or even get a friend to join you. Seeing your savings add up can be a powerful motivator. As you watch your balance grow, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment and pride, knowing that you're building a brighter financial future for yourself. At Golden Budget, we believe that everyone can become financially free with the right mindset and daily habits. Our mission is to empower our audience with the knowledge and tools they need to achieve their financial goals. We share actionable tips, practical advice, and inspiring stories to help you make the most of your money and live the life you want. Whether you're looking to save more, spend wisely, or invest for the future, we've got you covered. Now imagine saving $1,825 a year. Over 5 years, that's more than $9,000. That could cover emergencies, pay off debt, or even kickstart investing, and all it takes is $5 a day. So here's the challenge. Save $5 every day, stay consistent, and watch how quickly it adds up. Small steps equal big results. Are you in? Comment below, "I'm starting today," if you're ready to join the $5 a day savings challenge. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Golden Budget for more simple ways to save money every week.